Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just about looking good, but also about feeling good and boosting your productivity. Skincare routines. Taking care of your skin is essential, not only for your appearance but also for your overall well-being. A consistent skincare routine can enhance your mood, improve your confidence, and ultimately set the tone for a productive day. Segment 1. Importance of a skincare routine. Let's kick things off by discussing why skincare routine is so important. Think of your skincare routine as a form of self-care. When you take a few minutes each day to pamper yourself, it can significantly elevate your mood and mindset. That boost in confidence can lead to increased productivity throughout your day. Segment 2. Step-by-step skincare routine. Now let's break down a simple yet effective skincare routine that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Step 1. Cleansing. First up is cleansing. Start your morning and end your day with a gentle cleanser. This helps remove dirt and impurities, giving your skin a fresh canvas. If your skin is oily, go for a gel-based cleanser. For dry skin, a cream-based cleanser will do wonders. Step 2. Exfoliation. Next we have exfoliation. Exfoliating 1 to 3 times a week helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. This can brighten your complexion and make your skin feel rejuvenated, giving you that extra boost of energy to tackle your tasks. Step 3. Toning. After cleansing, use a toner. This step balances your skin's pH and preps it for the next products. Look for hydrating toners that refresh your skin and uplift your spirits. A little hydration can go a long way in keeping you energized. Step 4. Treatment serums. Now let's talk about serums. These are power-packed with ingredients that target specific concerns. Vitamin C for brightening, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and retinol for anti-aging. A few drops can make a world of difference in your skin's health and your confidence. Step 5. Moisturizing. Next, always moisturize. This is crucial for retaining moisture in your skin. Choose a lightweight moisturizer if you have oily skin, or a richer formula if your skin is dry. Hydrated skin not only looks great, but also feels great, helping you focus better on your tasks. Step 6. Sunscreen. And lastly, don't forget sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is essential, even on cloudy days. A good SPF can prevent premature aging and keeps your skin in tip-top shape, allowing you to stay productive without worrying about skin damage. Segment 3 has been bonus tips for productivity. This next segment is bonus. Now that we've covered the steps, here are some bonus tips on how to make your skincare routine even more productive. Set a schedule. Try to incorporate your skincare routine into your daily schedule. Whether it's morning or night, treat it like an appointment for yourself. Mindfulness moment. Use this time as a moment of mindfulness. Focus on the sensations and smells of the products, and take deep breaths. This can help reduce stress and clear your mind for the day ahead. Organize your space. Keep your skincare products organized and accessible. A clutter-free space can help you feel more at ease and ready to tackle your day. There you have it, your ultimate skincare routine that not only benefits your skin but also enhances your productivity. Remember, taking a little time for yourself can have a huge impact on your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Share your own skincare routines in the comments below. I'd love to hear what works for you.